When you think of a thumb drive, what do you think of? I bet you don't think of this. That's just weird. Hello guys, how are you? David and Franco here from davidandfran.co. Brand new layout, brand new direction. Check it out right below, I appreciate it. And in case you couldn't tell in the intro, this is a thumb. You get it? Thumb drive, flash drive. Okay, so personally I prefer to call them flash drives, not thumb drives. But yeah, this is kind of a thumb drive. Kind of weird, but I guess that's the world we live in. Anyway guys, welcome to a very random video today. A very random video. I have my Twitch broadcast playing in the background. If you want to follow me on Twitch, please do so. Twitch.tv/DavidFranco. I just finished streaming some Rainbow Six Siege. I gotta say, it is so nice being back. Especially when you come from like the Xbox version over to PC. It's a very interesting transition, but I think I'm doing great. I mean, I won a couple matches tonight, so that's a start. Okay, so anyway, for today's video topic, it is very random, very weird, very unique, but I just want to try new things on this channel. So I figured for today, I would just show you guys, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weird flash drives that you can buy on Amazon for pretty cheap. Let's get started. I showed you guys this already, but I'm going to show you again. This is a thumb drive. Yes, an actual flash drive that looks like a thumb. So, yeah, the skin tone is way off. I'm not that Simpson-y, if you want to say. Not that it's yellow, but it's definitely, I don't know. It's just not an accurate skin tone. That's the best way to put it. But I gotta say, it's quite creepy. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It actually looks like a thumb, despite the skin tone. And the quality? It's soft, but how does it taste? Doesn't taste like anything. So I guess it's a good thing. So, what happens when I plug this into my MacBook Pro? Will it freak out? Let's find out. Does it show up as a flash drive? Let's see. Come on, show me a flash drive. Alright, it says disk, IMG, Command I, and we do indeed get 32 gigabytes of space. Very cool. So, there you go guys. Proof it does indeed work, and that's how it looks when it's plugged into my MacBook Pro. Kind of weird, right? And very moist at that. So, Command E, eject. Little shortcut for my fellow Mac users out there. Give it a second to eject. There you go. And you can safely eject the thumb from your computer. So, there you go, guys. Weird flash drive number 1. Thumb drive. Weird flash drive number 2. Sushi. Do you guys like sushi? Maybe you do. Maybe you don't. But either way, I picked this one because it's just incredibly weird looking and actually kind of, dare you say, appetizing. Doesn't taste like sushi. But hey, does it work? Let's see. Plug it into the MacBook Pro. The thumb drive actually went in a little easier. And there you go. It's titled Untitled. Let's open that up. Didn't mean to do that. 16 gigabytes of storage. So, boom. Let's eject that flash drive. And interestingly enough, this one ejected a lot quicker than that one. So boom, there you go. Sushi. If you like sushi, buy it for yourself. It's linked right below. I know. This is a very stupid video, but I don't know. I'm easily amused, guys. Weird flash drive number 3. Shrimp. Yes, shrimp. I don't know. Doesn't taste like anything. I'm disappointed. I wish they would actually like scent these flash drives with some kind of weird flavor. Although I don't know, would you really want a shrimp flavored or like a shrimp smelling flash drive just sitting in your computer? Probably not, because shrimp's amazing, but I don't think it's something you want to smell all day. So let's plug in the shrimp, and it is not showing up. Oh, there you go. It's working. Command I, capacity, 16 gigabytes. All right, cool, not bad. And it ejects just fine. Now, you might think it's pointless and I'm plugging it in and ejecting it. Well, it's not completely pointless because sometimes something weird may happen. And hopefully something weird happens because I read an Amazon review with a flash drive that I'll be talking about in a moment. Yeah, I don't know. This person was just saying like it crashed their computer or it was just unresponsive. Who knows? Next up, this gold pendant, which I gotta say actually looks really nice. Not only is it incredibly blingy, if you're into that sort of thing, but it's actually got some nice weight to it, which to me says, hey, this is maybe quality. Jesus. All right, there you go. It's in. Wait for it to show up on the desktop. No name. And we do indeed have 16 gigabytes of storage. Command E. Pull that pendant out. It works. Next up, and this one's a little controversial, but I think it's cool regardless. This is a handgun. And that's really cool. And check it out. Boom. If you want to reload, you take out the flash drive and you plug this part, the grip, into your computer, not the handgun itself, which might be a little disappointing. But then again, do you want this huge flash drive just hanging out of your computer? Probably not. So there you go. No name. Command I. 8 gigabytes. Definitely the smallest one, but you can probably get in larger capacities. And boom, there you go. A handgun flash drive. Just pop that right back in and you got yourself a gun. Pretty cool. Now, last but not least, certainly not least for that matter, I've heard about this flash drive for years and I'm honored to finally own it. A humping dog. So in theory, when you plug this in, this should start humping the crap out of my MacBook Pro. Are you ready? Are you ready to doggy style the MacBook Prizzle? Let's plug it in and see if it starts humping. Give it a second. Hey.
You've got mail.
You've got mail. Start humping. Yeah, well, I'm legit disappointed. It's not even showing up on the desktop. Maybe it'll work on Windows. Let me just try the other port. Come on. Hump for me. I need this. I'm disappointed, guys. I'm disappointed. Will it work on my PC? Let's find out. I have the USB 3.0 drives active. Of course, it's going to be upside down. No, that's not going to work out because it's really bad placement. It's not even in all the way. Shit, I just sucked my PC by pressing the power button. David, you're an idiot. You're officially an idiot. Well, damn, guys. Well, damn. That's not going to work. However, I don't give up that easily. Let's go out into here. I do have some wall outlets with USB ports built in. Let's clear the room, guys. Clear the room. Will this work? Come on. Hump. Oh, there it goes. Hold on, hold on. It's plugged in all the way. Come on. Start humping. I'm trying to see if there's any kind of button or something to activate it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I let you down. Although I will say, the other flash drives performed perfectly. They plugged in, they activated just fine, and of course they ejected just fine, and the build quality overall isn't bad. I just hate to say this, guys. I was most interested in the humping dog, and it doesn't seem to be working. Now, will it work on a Windows laptop? Maybe. Maybe. Unfortunately, I don't have a Windows laptop with me right now to test this on. That's unfortunate, guys. Let's try one more time. I don't give up easily. Come on. Hump. It is what it is. Anyway, guys, quick recap. Humping dog, or non-humping dog. Sushi. Thumb. Gold pendants. Handgun. Bang bang. And shrimp. You guys can buy any of these flash drives right below. Yes, I spent money on all of these flash drives just to make this pointless video. Why not treat yourself to something weird? I'm just trying to mix up my content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/DavidFranco. And I'll see you soon. Peace.